Hi friends, today we have a very different topic, namely the corkscrew of the Victorinox knives. That is the Victorinox waiter which I bought for my son. Many people are saying that this corkscrew are useless, and on the other side these corkscrew versions are very good sellers under the Victorinox knives. Guess why? I think that's the same reason why I bought this knife for my son, namely the self-defense function of this knife. It is saving the fingers of the users, is very effective self-defense tool, and not that brutal at the same time. So I think that is the reason why these versions are very good sellers, but no one says this. Also, many people are knowing this, I think, and I can only recommend this for self-defense matters. Very cheap weapon, very effective, and very chic also. Thank you very much. Bye.